Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday, and you know what that means. Family time. The kids were home from school all day, so my daughter and I decided to whip up a cozy meal together. We went with baked chicken, paired with delicious roasted potatoes and carrots. Perfect comfort food. To kick things off, we gathered our seasonings. We had a mix of onions, sweet peppers, and of course, a lot of garlic. Because who doesn't love garlic? We also included some Scotch bonnet peppers for a little kick, along with avocado oil to bring it all together. Once we had everything prepped, we tossed it into the blender. The aroma was incredible. After blending up our seasoning mix, I poured it into a jar. This way, I can save some for future recipes. It's always nice to have a homemade seasoning blend on hand, don't you think? Now, on to the star of the show, the chicken. I started by coating it generously with our seasoning mix, making sure to get every nook and cranny. To enhance the flavor even more, I melted about 3 tablespoons of butter and added it to a small bowl. I rubbed that melted butter all over the chicken, giving it a rich, savory taste. Then I sprinkled some dry thyme on top for that aromatic touch. Next, we prepped our vegetables. We peeled and chopped the carrots and potatoes, making sure they were ready to roast alongside the chicken. I love how colorful and nutritious this meal is. With everything prepped, it was time to pop the chicken into the oven. We set it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for about an hour and a half. While it was cooking, my daughter and I got to work on our favorite kitchen mantra, clean as you go. It really does make cooking so much more enjoyable when you don't have a huge mess waiting for you at the end. Soon after, we turned our attention to making a sauce to glaze the chicken with while it baked. We mixed together some ketchup, red-hot chili sauce, crushed red peppers, and a splash of fish sauce for a unique depth of flavor. This sauce is key. It adds a wonderful glaze and helps the chicken develop that beautiful golden color. As the chicken baked, we made sure to coat it with our sauce a couple of times. It really helps to lock in the flavors and keeps the chicken juicy. The kitchen started to smell absolutely divine. Just the kind of cozy aroma that makes you feel right at home. Finally, after patiently waiting, dinner was served. The chicken was perfectly cooked, the potatoes were crispy, and the carrots were tender. This meal was not only delicious, but also so easy to make. I highly recommend you give it a try. If you do make it, let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your recreations. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, happy cooking!